Finally, Saturday. Let's fix something, guys. On a Saturday, around let me check my time, 7:30 in the evening. So can we fix something that we don't even know what it is? That's what we have today. Today we have something new. The thing, I don't even know the item. I don't even know what it is used for. But it's all what I know is an electronic device. So we have to do something there. That the thing is very heavy. I think around close to 5 kgs. Very heavy, trust me. You see? That's the thing. That's the thing. Nexus, and here is written Nexus. Let me adjust my webcam a little bit. Nexus solar home system. That's what we have to fix. You see? So we have a situation here which I don't know how I would treat this situation, because this was booked in as no power. So let's try to see what is here. How can I do it for you to see? How can I do it? Because I want you to see what I'm seeing here. Okay, good. So this thing here we have on off this panel. That's the radio. It seems it is also have a radio, some kind of Bluetooth radio. Okay, and here we do have a switch next to the radio. We have a switch on off, and nothing. Here on the radio we have also another switch to turn on the radio. So this is the main switch. Let's start this first before we fix. So that's the main switch for the whole thing to work. And that is switch to turn the radio. Even if we turn it on, off, you can hear the switch is clicking. Nothing is happening. So after the switch, we do have some LEDs connected in serial mode, 25%, 50, 75, 100, which are indicating the charging. So I suppose inside we have a big battery there. And after that we have DC 12 volts DC output, and we have some 12 volts bulb design which are drawn here. So this thing is outputting 12 volts DC, so you can power on the 12 volts bulbs. Okay, after that we do have the input. That's the input from the solar panel, and next to the input we do have a fuse, paper fuse, and the DC 5 volts output, maybe for charging phones and the likes. So that's the thing. So what I want to do, my multimeter is in diode mode. Let's check the fuse first. And the fuse is good. That's bad. Here on the back we have some specifications. It's using like 20 watts solar panel, and we do have a 12 volts battery inside. Okay, and the USB ports are outputting 5 volts 1 amp. Nexus solar home system. That's all the name that I can find here. So let's get inside this. Let me adjust my webcam. Let's check out all the screws quickly. I can't wait to see what is inside this thing. I can't wait. But based on the external functions, this seems to be easy to be repaired. Maybe not, who knows. That's what is inside this thing. So we just open the cover. These are the connectors, which I believe they are going to the speaker. What the speakers here, but the connectors, the wires, all of them, they are broken. And we have the audio thing on top and other things here. So let's check. We have some screws at the bottom. Let's take down those screws. And try to figure out the schematics for this thing, if we can. Few more screws left. One more screw left here. Okay. And here, let's check the radio thing out. Good. So that's the radio thing, and that's the thing for charging, things like that. So the power from the battery is going here. We have some diodes in parallel mode. After the diode, we have the, I don't know whether it's the current sensor. current sensor, and we have the capacitor. I'm trying to read out the schematics for this thing before we can do anything. Okay, capacitors. Okay, so why this thing is not working? That's a 12 volts battery. Let's check the battery voltage. It's like 0.6. The battery is meant to work with 12 volts. Okay, so let's put our power supply on 12 volts. So the battery is not even charging. So basically we have a faulty battery here. Let's see with my small battery. I do have another small battery here. Maybe like 6. Okay, so we have a faulty battery here, but let's supply 12 volts and see if our thing is working. We have the light, you see, and the radio thing, it's working. Okay, so okay, let's disconnect here. Let's solder back wires of the speaker. I want to test if everything is okay on the radio side, because already we have seen our problem that the battery, basically the battery just died, but we can still do something there. Let's solder speaker wires. You must have sound if everything is fine. Speaker wires are connected. Radio is still on. I can see let's make a proper correction here. You can see so fine. So let us check something else here. One second. Let's continue with our repair. So what did we know by now? What did we know by now? We know that our thing is working fine. This charging for 12 volts DC output and for 5 volts. Let's check together, because if we have a light here, it means the board is fine, but we have problem with the battery. So I'll try to look for the battery, but before that, let's check to see if everything is okay here. What I will do, the 12 volts from my DC power supply is coming here. 12 volts. Let's check the output. Those volts, sender pin plus 12 volts. Second one is outputting 12. Third one 12. Fourth one 12. So the 12 volts DC output is working fine. What I want to check first, we do have some USB here. I will check for 5 volts output. The first USB, .94, which I believe is okay. The second one 4.94. So I'm sure if we plug in, I do have my phone. I think we can test. My phone is here. That's my phone. Let me put it here so that you will see. Pay attention to my phone. I'm plugging the USB cable. You see the charging sign is on 100% already. So the USB, the 5 volts DC output is also working fine. The 12 volts is working fine. So here we don't have any issue. The next step, we do have the radio thing here. You can see the flash is blinking, stop, blinking, stop, blinking. And from the back, we have some chips here. Same like yesterday. You remember the audio amplifier with the two sound IC, the one which was blown up. That's the case here. Look here. We have a blown up chip here. Let me see what kind of chip is this. 8002B, 8002B. I see. 1 second. 8002B. I see data sheet. Maybe we found something. Towards audio power amplifier, I see. 8002 is a class AB audio amplifier. So clear. 1 second. So clearly this is an audio amplifier class AB. Okay, that one for yesterday was audio power amplifier class D. This one is audio amplifier class AB. So basically the chip just blown up, so obvious we can't have sound. Let's see. Let's try to look for that chip. 1 second. I found something here. I found these two boards. These two boards with the, let me see, 2018A. I see. 1 second. (2018A) SIM channel class F audio power amplifier. Okay, so can we make an attempt to replace with this one? Let's try. Who knows, maybe it will work. So let's replace that that class AB audio amplifier. I see. It's not hard. Nothing hard here. I want to make sure that we only have the only problem that is left is the battery, which is easy. We just look for another 12 volts DC battery, we mount it inside, and everything will be fine. So let's replace our IC. That's the blown one. I want to lower temperature because I don't want to push too much heat into the chip. I only have like 2 boards. Let's lower the air. That's good. Now chip position should be opposite. That's perfect. Let's cool down this chip. I thought maybe I will see something complicated inside this thing, but it seems as if nothing complicated here. This battery has 0 volts, a 12 volts battery, which is completely empty. And even if I try to charge it with power supply, it's not even taking any power. It's not charging. So I replaced this chip, which was blown up, with another Class F mono amplifier, audio amplifier IC, but it's not working. You can see the chip is blown up. That's the sound I see. The radio is playing. You can see the flashing of the USB, but there's no sound because that chip, which is meant to output audio signal, is blown up. Okay, so here on the other panel, the 12 volts output and 5 volts output, everything is okay. So we have 2 issues here. The first one, we have to look for a 12 volts battery and replace this battery, which is completely dead. Secondly, we have to look for that 8002 ClassAB audio mono amplifier IC, and probably I'll do the second part of the video. So that's how you can diagnose things that you don't know. So what do I say? Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you on the next one. Bye.